A workday doesn't need to feel static. This L-shaped standing desk lets you move, adjust, and optimize your environment. Designed for both flexibility and durability, this dual-motor standing desk is crafted with a strong steel frame and aerospace-grade connectors, maintaining rock-solid stability even after 100,000 lift cycles. Whether you're deep in focus or multitasking between screens, it stands firm. Literally. The top surface spans a generous 63 inches by 55 inches, providing plenty of room for multiple monitors, documents, and devices. The Brava oven redefines convenience with its all-in-one functionality, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. With over 8,000 customizable cooking programs, this smart oven lets you cook a wide variety of dishes with ease. Whether you're preparing a simple meal of chicken wings and vegetables or crafting a pizza, the oven's one-touch programs take the guesswork out of cooking. Plus, you can cook multiple ingredients at once, saving time and effort. This versatile appliance serves as an air fryer, roaster, baker, and even a slow cooker. No matter where you go, lighting and power now come in one ultra-slim companion. The MA5R magnetic fill light is built for creators, travelers, and everyday users who demand utility without compromise. Measuring only 0.5 inches thick, this pocket-sized marvel securely attaches to your phone and instantly transforms your mobile setup. With 220+ minutes of uninterrupted brightness, you're never left in the dark, literally or creatively. Winding through wooded trails or slicing across open pavement, the one-wheel Pint S offers an electrifying ride few vehicles can match. The sensation is unique. Part hovercraft, part board sport, all intensity. It's not just a skateboard with a motor. The Pint S takes more from snowboarding than scooting and demands more attention and respect from its rider. At its core is a self-balancing electric motor that delivers surprising torque, and the board responds not with handlebars or throttles, but with the lean of your body. Campfires fade, trails grow dark, but Mosy Guard keeps the comfort alive. Designed for wilderness explorers and backyard loungers alike, this ultimate outdoor mosquito repeller brings modern defense into natural settings. At its core, MCH ceramic rapid heating technology delivers fast-acting, mosquito-repelling heat, giving you control in seconds. With a 10,000 milliamp-hour battery powering up to 20 hours of heating, Mosy Guard outlasts your longest nights under the stars. Breathe beneath the waves without the burden of traditional tanks. Sea Air redefines how we explore the underwater world. Engineered for simplicity and efficiency, this fully self-contained tankless diving system floats effortlessly on the surface while delivering clean, reliable air to divers below through a high-performance battery-powered compressor. Compact and lightweight, Sea Air makes every dive smoother, longer, and more accessible, whether you're exploring coral reefs or gliding through calm coastal waters. When deep muscle fatigue sets in after long hours on your feet or relentless workouts, you need more than a gentle touch. You need results. The Oyo Total Body Massage delivers exactly that. Designed with a 2-in-1 system, it merges lateral vibration and percussion therapy for powerful relief. Whether you're battling tension in your lower back, stiffness in your shoulders, or soreness in your legs, this massager gets to the root of the issue with precision. The innovative vibrating belt moves side to side, penetrating tight muscle fibers with rhythmic power. Cluttered desks and tangled cords are a thing of the past. The XCool, the one-cable 8-in-1 Ultimate Cable brings clean efficiency to your everyday tech life. Designed for seamless charging and syncing, it replaces the need for multiple cables, delivering portability and practicality wherever you go. Built for universal compatibility, it powers everything from USB-C smartphones to Lightning devices with USB-A and USB-C chargers. Simplify your gear and enjoy stress-free charging across all your gadgets. The MindLax sleeping mat offers a groundbreaking approach to rest and relaxation. integrating cutting-edge technology to enhance your sleep quality and overall well-being. Its innovative sound wave massage system, grounded in Nobel Prize-winning research, delivers soothing vibrations that help reduce stress and promote deep, restorative sleep. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day, improve your meditation practice, or simply take a quick nap, this mat provides a calming environment tailored to your needs. In a world craving balance between technology and nature, Moss Lab introduces a new marvel, the Moss Echo. Moss, an ancient plant dating back 450 million years, now partners with cutting-edge tech to create a cleaner, healthier environment inside your home or workspace. The Moss Echo is powered by light pole technology, where the LED illumination runs from the root to the tip of the moss, enhancing photosynthesis and giving the plant a vibrant, rich color while naturally improving indoor air quality. Cradled in midair, suspended by invisible forces, this smart moon lamp by Ginkgo redefines the art of illumination. Anchored by a solid American walnut base, its weightless glow mimics the quiet grandeur of the full moon, rotating gently as if tugged by celestial rhythms. A blend of design and innovation, the lamp uses precision magnets to hover with flawless balance. No strings, no tricks, just magnetic levitation at its finest. The Dream X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop offers a seamless cleaning experience for modern homes. Equipped with 20,000 Pascal suction power, this device provides a thorough deep clean, efficiently picking up dust, dirt, and debris across multiple surfaces. Its advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation around furniture and obstacles, preventing any bumps or interruptions to its cleaning path. The Nostalgia Retro Drink Maker brings a classic touch of soda fountain charm to your kitchen. With its vintage-inspired design, it's not just about making drinks, it's about recreating the magic of old-fashioned milkshakes and malts. This versatile machine is perfect for crafting thick milkshakes, malted drinks, and even health-conscious beverages, making it a fun addition to any home kitchen. Equipped with a 100-watt motor, this milkshake maker offers 2 speeds for precise control over drink consistency. Slip into a future of seamless intelligence with the Halliday's Ultimate Pair, AI glasses built for minds that never rest. Weighing just 1.23 ounces, these featherlight glasses carry the force of a proactive AI assistant embedded within an invisible display, ensuring your view remains unobstructed while your focus sharpens. In a world driven by precision, the Ringcon Smart Ring brings a refined approach to personal wellness without compromising comfort or style. Start your journey with the Ringcon Sizing Kit, an essential step to ensure the perfect fit before making your final purchase. Once you're set, dive into a seamless health monitoring experience backed by a one-time investment and 0 subscription fees. Mornings begin smoother when every tool you need is in one sleek device. Kitsch Hub transforms your countertop into a command center with 8 precision-driven features engineered for efficiency and elegance. The high-torque coffee grinder delivers consistent results. Toss in whole spices and the grinder adjusts to bring out bold aromas and flavors with a single tap. When precision is non-negotiable, the Ultimate Ears RR Plus Pro steps in with uncompromising clarity. Whether you're dialing in a vocal chain, mastering in a mobile studio, or producing on the go, this in-ear monitor is built to translate every sonic detail with exacting clarity. Exceptional passive isolation blocks up to negative 26 decibels of ambient noise, locking you into your mix whether you're in the booth or backstage. Rethink your nightstand with a piece that merges form and function into a single sculptural element. The Octagon One Plus portable alarm clock. Light doesn't just save space, it redefines it. Carved from 100% sustainable natural wood, this elegant device stands at the intersection of minimalist design and everyday practicality. It's a portable desk lamp, a gentle wake-up light, and a precision timekeeper all in one compact unit measuring just over 3.5 inches thick. Built for steep streets and long rides, the InMotion Climber redefines the electric scooter experience with a dual 750-watt motor system that generates a combined peak of 1,500-watt power. This robust setup propels the climber to speeds up to 23.6 miles per hour, even when facing demanding inclines and heavy riders up to 286 pounds. Its hill climbing capabilities are backed by an advanced torque system and independent dual-wheel drive that grips the pavement confidently. The EcoPower Test Fridge is a cutting-edge portable freezer, meticulously designed for Tesla Model Y, 3, and X. It offers an impressive 36-liter capacity, allowing ample space for storing frozen items during road trips or outdoor adventures. With its adjustable temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the Test Fridge provides flexibility for preserving various types of food, beverages, and other essentials, catering to all your travel needs. The Nikasa Kitchen Composter is designed to streamline the composting process with convenience and efficiency. Featuring a 12-liter capacity, it can handle up to 3.5 pounds of waste per day, allowing you to go over 10 days without the need for waste disposal. The result is more than 7.5 pounds of nutrient-rich organic fertilizer, which can support sustainable gardening or lawn care. What sets this composter apart is its ability to complete the composting process in just 48 hours. The Sunco Sunshine Fair Infrared Electric Heater is designed to offer efficient and quiet heating for various indoor spaces. Unlike conventional space heaters, it utilizes far infrared technology to heat the room directly by warming objects and people rather than the air, providing a more natural and comfortable warmth. This feature ensures energy efficiency, reducing energy consumption while maintaining a consistent and gentle heat throughout the room. Equipped with a thermostat, the heater allows precise temperature control, making it ideal for large rooms, bedrooms, garages, and offices. Unlock the full potential of your citrus fruits with the Zulle Extra Large Lemon Squeezer, a tool designed to maximize juice extraction with minimal effort. This efficient juicer features a grooved bowl that enhances the squeezing process, ensuring that every drop of juice is captured. Its built-in strainer catches seeds and pulp, delivering smooth, clean juice every time. Roasting coffee at home just reached new heights. BeanBond delivers everything you expect from a top-tier home coffee roaster. With a compact, sturdy build and intuitive operation, it transforms green beans into cafe-worthy roasts in the comfort of your kitchen. Pre-programmed with 8 expert-crafted roasting settings, BeanBond removes the guesswork while maintaining full control for the enthusiast, ready to fine-tune every batch. Technology meets precision engineering with the Microbit XGO Rider, a compact programmable bipedal robot built to inspire innovation. Designed for both education and entertainment, it features powerful all-metal magnetic encoding bus serial servos at its joints and a FOC wheel hub integrated motor for smooth drive performance. This allows the XGO Rider to perform 360-degree full-range, flexible movements with stable posture control, tackling complex motions effortlessly. The Chinkata electric food chopper combines efficiency with durability, making meal preparation quicker and easier. Equipped with a powerful 400-watt motor, this chopper is designed to handle tough tasks such as chopping onions, meat, garlic, and ham with ease. Featuring dual-speed settings, you can select the optimal power for each ingredient, ensuring consistent and smooth results. The 8-cup stainless steel and glass bowls provide ample space to process large portions, while the sharp, bi-level blades guarantee fast and efficient chopping. Cooking is an art, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Imagine a kitchen tool that takes the guesswork out of flavoring and makes every meal taste like it's been crafted by a professional chef. Enter Spicer, the smart flavoring device designed to elevate your culinary creations with ease. Spicer combines cutting-edge technology with cooking, allowing you to enhance the flavors of any dish effortlessly. Whether you're making a simple pasta or an elaborate steak, Spicer adds the perfect amount of seasoning, all with just the push of a button. Never miss a moment to look sharp, even when time isn't on your side. The Handyman by Manscaped is engineered for efficiency with a powerful lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 60 minutes of cordless trimming. Running late? A 5-minute quick charge delivers just enough power to freshen up fast. No excuses. Built for movement and mobility, this pocket-sized grooming tool travels light and trims tight. Whether you're prepping for a sudden weekend trip or a last-minute event, the Handyman slips into your DOP kit. Elevate your outdoor experience with the Air Cruiser, engineered for adventurers who refuse to compromise. This rooftop tent is not just compact and lightweight, it's self-assembling and ready to deploy in seconds, making campsite setup faster and smarter than ever. Designed with cutting-edge materials and aerospace-inspired structure, it offers record-breaking cabin space while weighing significantly less than traditional rooftop tents. At only 90 pounds, it mounts securely on nearly any vehicle, transforming daily drivers into instant base camps. A well-balanced kitchen isn't complete without a reliable tool for prepping fresh produce, and the Svake stainless steel salad spinner answers that call with polished precision. Built with a 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl, this spinner brings both durability and capacity, letting you handle large batches of lettuce, spinach, or fruit without skipping a beat. Its transparent lid reveals the action inside, while the one-press stop button grants immediate control. No overspinning, no hassle. The longer Nano Duo portable laser engraving machine stands out with its remarkable 5,000 millimeters per second engraving speed, offering precision and efficiency for various materials. Featuring a 6-watt laser output, it ensures high-quality engravings and cuts on a range of surfaces, from wood and acrylic to leather, fabric, metal, and ceramic. This compact machine is perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to create intricate designs and detailed engravings with ease. Step into clarity like never before. The Mosy 550 redefines wearable display technology with a commanding 210-inch AR projection viewed from just 20 feet away, giving you the feel of a cinematic screen right in your pocket. Weighing only 2.6 ounces, this ultra-light headset keeps fatigue at bay, letting you focus on what truly matters, the experience.